Welcome back to the Prepositional Pronouns series, today looking at the preposition le, meaning with, and many other meanings in its simple prepositional form. So how does le combine with pronouns in Irish? You probably already know that when le combines with the definite article to say with the, it becomes leis. But wait, there's more in the context of prepositional pronouns. Quick recap on prepositions and pronouns. Prepositions are those little words that show the relation between things in a sentence, connecting nouns to other words in terms of direction, location, and so on. And pronouns? Well, they're the little words we use to replace nouns so that we don't have to keep repeating the names of things. We've seen that in Irish, many prepositions, when they meet an object pronoun, combine to form a new word, so they merge, and we have to memorize them. Let's recap now how they combines with the object pronouns in each person to make prepositional pronouns. Note, these begin with slender L's. Liom, lat, leis, lei, lin, liv, lo. Digging around in books, online or in person, you'll find many differences between the dialects. You may be just wanting to construct a sentence where you're saying something will be with something in the literal sense. Here's a drill to practice how that might work. He will be with me soon. Be she liom go. What about I will be with you soon? Be me lat go. I will be with him soon. Be me leis go. With her. Be me lei go. He will be with us soon. Be she lin go. I will be with you guys. Be me liv go. I will be with them soon. Be me lo go. Or you may be wanting to use le as a prepositional pronoun in very frequently used fixed expressions. See in the top left there it says ownership. Here's Teach Yourself Irish. The phrase is le, literally is with, is used to indicate ownership. Is le Sean and cóir sin. There's a typo there with the fara over the wrong letter, but never mind that. The point is that the car being with Sean means it belongs to him, and the same will apply when you need to use it with a pronoun. Is liom and lámhar sin. That book is with me means that book is mine. And further down the page, it gives a demonstration of the emphatic or contrast forms, like lomsa, latsa. Now, often, things where perhaps English might simply use a subject and a verb or verbs, in Irish will be more to do with copula and adjective plus prepositional pronoun. The example that comes to mind being is cuma liom, I don't care, which is literally it's the same with me, a bit like the French construction ça m'est égal or the German mir ist egal. It's constructed in a different way. It's not quite the same in those languages, but you get what I'm saying. For Shields Learning Irish, which is the main textbook I'm using to learn, has a section on this idiomatic use of copula with le. He says, the copula is used with le in certain idiomatic expressions and has the general meaning of it seems. He also says, is como le, it seems all the same to, is generally only used positively, and that the same structure is used with some other adjectives that work like is como liom. Let's try drilling that in a jumbled order. I don't care, or it seems all the same to me. We don't care. They don't care. She doesn't care. You don't care. Ye don't care. He doesn't care. The next drill in order of persons is for a very common expression. Is mála mé, I like it. You like it. He likes it. She likes it. We like it. Ye like it. They like it. Likewise, if you want to say that something is possible for you or you can, in Irish you're going to have to say it's possible with you. Let's try drilling that. Is féidir a dhéanamh. I can do it. You can do it. He can do it. She can do it. We can do it. Ye can do it. They can do it. Ní aontaím I don't agree with. This might be handy on YouTube. Ní aontaím leat, I don't agree with you. With him. With them. With her. With you lot, you plural. And obviously if you do agree, you just drop that ni. Another expression using le to agree with. You can see it uses the verb to come. Tá mé a teacht leat. I agree with you. I agree with him. With them. With her. With you guys, you plural. Can you think of any other examples like this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're there. You can also check out my introductory video on prepositional pronouns if you want to know more about this process, or have a look at the one on the preposition ag, meaning at.